If you are not yet aware of this website, then you really need to, especially if you are a content creator. There are other websites to do this, and in fact, so many applications, but with all my works, I find this particular website most convenient to use. Now, what does this website do? It helps you to remove the background of any image very neatly and very convenient to use. Let's go to our Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser and then search for remove. That is remove, remove.bg. Okay, here's the home page of the website. Let's go ahead and tap on this button that says upload image. Tap on it. Alright, let's say I want to remove the background of this particular image here. Tap on the image. When you tap on the image you want to remove its background, then look at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on done. The image will be uploaded automatically. You wait for it to be analyzed and then watch what will happen. So, can you see? The background of the image has been removed. So what do you do next? Look here. At the bottom left corner, tap on that button. Then tap on this if you are using this website for free. Tap here to download the image into your device, the image whose background you have removed. Tap on it. Alright, so you can see that. Download again. Tap on that button to download the image. So your image, they say file downloaded. Your image has been downloaded. When you return to your file to search through your device, you will notice that the background of the image has been removed so neatly.